Hi, this is Sumit from IIC, and today I have a business opportunity. As we all know, that mostly in India, we are becoming conscious for cleanliness. And for cleanliness, one thing which comes in is the bags, the disposable bags, especially the garbage bags. But then I was exploring that how many people are buying garbage bags in India versus international market. But then I found there's a business opportunity. Since I'm running an e-commerce entrepreneurship program, I want you to explore this business opportunity. So with a very simple search, I was on Amazon.com and I searched about garbage bags, and I can see that about $10 they are charging for this, and about 30,000 sales have happened just the last month. That means about $3 lakh worth of sales someone has done for this. 20,000 sales the last month, 10,000 sales the last month. Just see and calculate it, that how much profitability someone is making by selling these products on Amazon itself. And this is just one marketplace, that is Amazon, and the number of sales are really crazy. These are numbers in not just small numbers, 60,000, 10,000, 80,000, 4,000, and these are also priced high, $20. What we can do, we can actually source these products from manufacturers in India. I'll give you the supplier's contact, list them directly into the e-commerce store and start selling. Same if you see 8,300 rating is there for this plant bag, that is a planter, and honeypot planter 3,800 sales, $76, 2,000 sales, $34. Interestingly, all these things what you're seeing in Etsy.com or Lazada, this Singapore based website, 9,400 sales, 3,500 sales, all these sales figures are real. And we can actually list these products in an e-commerce marketplace also, and we can sell. This is Japan's website, Rakuten. This is noon.com. This is Dubai's website. And one interesting thing with all these businesses are that you can actually start a plug and play e-commerce export business of bulk bags and disposable bags like this, gunny bags and agricultural bags, garbage bags, waste bags, jumbo bags, all that what you're seeing right now, these can be directly been exported. And one interesting thing, these are biodegradable products. This also meets the interest of companies today. They will be buying from you in bulk quantity. And when companies buy, they don't buy one or two pieces. They buy 1 lakh, 2 lakh numbers in a single shot. For example, if somebody has to buy this kind of gunny bag, do you think that industry will be buying a small quantity? They may simply order 1 lakh, 2 lakh numbers because they also have to supply these products. So I will be teaching you how to find these buyers who can buy from you in bulk quantity. Since I am myself running my own e-commerce company and I'm already doing sales, that exact same process you can learn from me, and you can also scale your business with me. Now I'm showing you some of the plugins and softwares that I'll be giving to you so that you can do digital marketing and you can simply start selling these products. So you can list all the products that are related to these bags, and we can all list all these unbranded products and start selling them under your own brand name. Everything I'll give you as an all-in-one program. So what I'm giving in my all-in-one program, an ongoing mentorship, store builder, and also the database of buyers and suppliers. Very simple, straightforward business. If anyone else is giving this kind of business opportunity, they will charge you for the course separately. They will charge you for the database separately, for the mentorship, for every single thing, certifications, whatever I'm showing you. Everything is included in single program itself. All 17 certifications that you're seeing related to drop shipping, export, import, global trade, digital marketing, SEO, social media marketing, how to run paid ads, how to effectively get sales, all things I have added in a single program, and I'm giving it to you. 17 certificates are included in this single program, and you're going to get 100% practical online live interactive training from me, and my team will be here to assist you regularly so that you can build your business. And with lifetime access, lifetime update, lifetime support, you'll be getting support from my team. So get started with this business today, because many of my students are already successful. I'm giving you this content which are in different formats like video based lectures and ebooks and white papers, case studies, infographics, you name it. You are getting to get all the support from me in a single program. You don't have to pay anything extra for this. And this is not a new institute. I started way back in 2015. These are some of my works that I've done. These are many entrepreneurs who have learned from me. So I want you to explore this opportunity, because this institute is fully registered and accredited. Companies like Tata Group and Alibaba, Amazon, WTO, and many government departments are part of IIC. I previously worked with Amazon and Alibaba as their global partner and director. And with my past experience and my work that I've done, I am myself running my e-commerce store. And with the exact strategies that I'm applying, I want you to learn this strategy so we can build a highly successful business together. So whatever the product we are seeing, there are many manufacturers, they are not able to market internationally. They still don't know about e-commerce. We just want those manufacturers and we can start listing their products and we can start making sales. And you don't have to buy anything. Simply list the product. When the buyer is paying money, then only we'll be supplying it to them. So basically working as a middleman using e-commerce. Think of this as a wholesale dropshipping business of bags and products which can be used by bulk buyers like industries and also from e-commerce marketplaces who can continuously buy from you. So we're doing digital marketing with the mentorship. You are going to get a complete package from me. So how much is the price for this? It should be 50-60 lakhs, right? But it is very small amount because I'm giving you this opportunity so that we can simply get started with the e-commerce export business today and grow together. So just to remind you that there are thousands of sales every single day happening, 20,000 sales, 7,000 sales, 2,000, 3,000, and 100,000 sales. Everything is in front of you. This is Amazon's website. And if they are doing it on Amazon, you can also do it using your own e-commerce store plus Amazon. You don't have to invest big amount of money, as I told you. I'll be teaching you how to do export, how to do the work of buying and selling and trading using your own e-commerce store builder under your own brand name. So be part of this e-commerce revolution. Join this low cost, high profit business opportunity today and be part of the revolution that can transform your complete financial life today itself.